Welcome to the Power BI Custom Connector Certification Overview. If you've ever wondered why this certification exists, well, it's here to ensure your connectors aren't just fancy add-ons but meet Microsoft standards. Getting certified boosts credibility, helps businesses, and saves users from frustration. Stay with me, we're diving deep. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Ever felt limited by built-in Power BI connectors? That's where custom connectors swoop in like superheroes. They let businesses connect to unique data sources. From CRM to finance systems, they bridge gaps effortlessly. Let's break down why they matter and how they unlock endless possibilities. Certification isn't just a fancy label. It's proof that your connector won't crash midway. It guarantees reliability, security, and industry trust. Microsoft standards exist for a reason. They keep things seamless, professional, and frustration-free. Let's see why skipping certification might not be the best idea. Before jumping in, make sure you're prepared. You need Power BI architecture knowledge, API understanding, and security awareness. Basically, the essentials to create a rock-solid connector. Oh, and documentation isn't optional unless you enjoy mysterious technical glitches. Let's cover each prerequisite. Developing a custom connector is like assembling a puzzle. You start with defining your data source, then set up authentication, add transformation logic, and test rigorously. Skip a step and your connector might turn into a mess. Let's go through each step minus the frustration. Testing isn't just clicking run and hoping for the best. You need unit tests, performance benchmarks, security checks, and user testing. Because let's face it, nobody likes surprises when things go live. We'll cover these in detail to make sure your connector passes with flying colors. Submitting your connector is like handing in an exam, except Microsoft does the grading. You need documentation, submission via partner center, thorough validation, and finally, certification approval. Stick to the process and your connector will earn its well-deserved spot. Microsoft doesn't hand out certifications like free candy. They check security, performance, user experience, and integration reliability. Your connector needs to prove it's worthy. Let's see what makes a connector shine in Microsoft's eyes. Certification isn't a walk in the park. Authentication can get tricky, performance benchmarks might haunt you, data transformations love throwing errors, and security compliance is non-negotiable. But fear not, we'll tackle these challenges one by one. Developing connectors is like building a strong bridge. If it's shaky, no one wants to cross it. First, well-documented APIs act as a GPS for developers. Then secure authentication keeps the bad guys out. Efficient data retrieval saves time, and rigorous testing ensures your connector won't collapse under pressure. Nail these, and your connector will be the golden gate of integration. Think of security like locking your front door, simple yet crucial. Encryption makes sure no one sneaks a peek at sensitive data. Access controls ensure only the right people get in, while regular audits are like checking the locks periodically and keeping an eye out for strange activity. Well, that's just smart. Secure your connector like you'd secure your home. Nobody likes a slow connector, just like nobody likes a slow internet connection. Minimize API calls to keep things speedy. Cache data smartly so users aren't waiting forever. Optimize queries to reduce processing time, and monitor response times like a hawk. A well-optimized connector is like a sports car, fast, efficient, and smooth. Power BI data flows are like a conveyor belt, keeping data moving efficiently. A smooth connection ensures hassle-free data integration. Consistent refresh means users always get updated information. Transformation features allow data customization, and scalability ensures you won't outgrow your setup. Nail these, and your data flows will run like a well-oiled machine. Let's talk about leveling up. First, online courses and certifications can make you the expert everyone turns to. Books, podcasts, and articles. Those are your secret weapons to staying ahead. Want real career magics? Network and find a mentor. They've been where you are and can show you the way. And finally, workshops and hands-on training turn knowledge into real-world skills. Because knowing theory is great, but applying it, that's where the magic happens. Alright, time to wrap this up. First, set clear learning goals. Without them, you're just wandering. Make time for learning, because I'll do it later is how dreams disappear. Get feedback and adjust. Mistakes aren't failures, they're lessons. And finally, apply what you learn. Knowledge stuck in a notebook won't change the world, but you using it will. So, ready to go make a difference. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.